Welcome to the Baseface Network.
Good morning, ma'am. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nancy from Culinary 3 class. I will service morning tea or coffee today. Which one do you want, coffee or tea, ma'am? This is your tea, ma'am. How many sugar do you want? How many creamer do you want? It is enough. Excuse me, please help me to give your comment in the paper about my service today. Have a nice day and enjoy your tea. Thanks for your order, ma'am. I will grab up cup and saucer 10 EI. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you finish your coffee? May grab up cup and saucer and thank you for your order. Good morning, ma'am.
Audio Jungle.